Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2009 Wrangler Unlimited X. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 23C, Trailer Tow Group, Easy Folding Soft Top, 6 speakers, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3 decoder and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.